All right, so let's solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2025. So this question says that there are two biased dies, not unbiased. So die is biased, and die one has one on two faces, two on two faces, three and four on other faces, while die two has got two on two faces and four on two faces and one and three on the other faces. Then we have to find the probability that when throwing these dice, we get sum of four or five. So let's write down the information. So in such cases, you got to write down the information and then only you can do it. So die one has got like one on two faces, so one and one. So I'm just writing all the um, numbers which are there. Two on two faces, meaning that two and two, and then we have got three and four. So that is what we have got for the die one. Now what is happening for the die two? So die two has got two on two faces, four on two faces, and one on three on other faces, meaning that one, and then there are two twos, and then there is one three, and then there are two fours. So that is what we have got here. Now, what I want after looking at this, we want the probability of throwing a dice so that we get a sum of four or five. So how do we get a sum of four or five? So we have to just be careful that when we get four, let's talk about the situation when we get four. So when I get one on the first die, then on the second die I should get a three. Then it can happen. So this is one three is possible. Then if I get a two, then on second die also I should get a two. So two and two is also possible. Now if I get a three, then I should get a one on the first die. So this is also possible. So three on. So this is okay. These are the situation for four. Now let's talk about the situation for five. So I can get one and then I can get a four. So this is one and four is possible. Then what can I get? I can get two and three. That also will make it five. And then I can get three and two. That will also make it five, right? And then I can get four and one. That will also make it five. Is there anything else? So just look at whether all the ones numbers are covered. Four, three, two, one. Yeah. So all these numbers are covered. So these are the cases for five. Now we need to find out the probability of these events and then sum them up. And as you can see, like throwing this first die and the second die, they are independent events. So we have to find out the probability of getting a 1 on the first die and then probability of getting a 3 on the second die and so on and so forth. So we can just write this down here. So probability of like die 1, like getting a 1 on die 1, right? So that is gonna be actually equal to 2 upon 6, right? Which is actually, we'll just leave it at that. And then probability of getting a 2 on die 1 itself. So so we'll call D as the die 1 itself and the number here. So yeah, so D2 is this. So this is gonna be 2 upon 6 again, and then getting a 3 on die 1 is D3 is what we're saying is gonna be 1 upon 6, 1 out of 6, and then D4. So this is gonna be equal to 4 up 4 is 1, so 1 upon 6 again. So this is for the first die. And then say for the second die, I'm calling this as a small d. Okay. So let's say D1. If I'm talking about D1, then that is gonna give me 1 upon 6. Or D2 is gonna give me 2 upon 6. And D3 is 1 upon 6. And D4 is 2 upon 6. So all that we have to do is that we just have to sum up. I'm not going to write D1, D2. I'm just going to multiply and do this because these are independent events. So we can just multiply their individual properties. So getting a 1 on the first and then 3 on the second. So meaning that 2 by 6 into 1 by 6. So 2 by 6 into 1 by 6. So that is for the first one. Then getting a 2 on the first and second. So this is also 2 by 6, 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 into 2 by 6. Then 3 and 1. So getting this 3 on this one, so which is 1 by 6, and then this is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 into 1 by 6, right? And then just keep summing up. So this is getting a 1 on the first die, which is again 2 by 6. So be careful with this. So 2 by 6 and then 4. This is also 2 by 6. So getting a 2, 2 by 6, and 3, 1 by 6. And then what we have got is 3 and 2. So 3 is 1 by 6, and 2 is 2 by 6. And then 4 and 1. So 4 is 1 by 6, and this is 1 is 1 by 6. Okay, so we have got 36 as LCM, right? Let's write down all the numbers. So this is 2, then this is gonna be 4, this is gonna be 1, this is gonna be 4, this is gonna be 2, and then 2 and 1. So we've got 4, 2, 6, and 7 plus 4, 11 plus 11 plus 4, 15 and 16, 16 upon 36. So 16 upon 36 will be 4 upon 9. So 4 upon 9 is what is going to be your answer. And this is what it is. Okay. So the question wasn't difficult, only that we had to be careful, like when 4 and 5 will be formed, and then we have to find the individual probabilities and then just keep multiplying that way. Okay. Just a little lengthy question. That is all it is. Okay. So if you got any questions, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.